Have you ever lost track of time while you were doing something you truly love? That feeling of complete focus, of joy. And then a quiet thought whispers, could this ever be more than just a hobby? That whisper is not just a daydream, it is a signal that the seeds of a meaningful income are already within you. In this video, we will gently walk through how to translate what you love into a source of income. We will move away from the pressure to monetize everything and instead focus on building something that feels authentic and sustainable. You will learn a simple, 3-step framework to identify your unique value, connect it to an audience, and take the first small, stress-free step. This is not about becoming a viral sensation overnight. It is about building a simple and controlled path toward doing more of what you love. Let's begin with the first and most important step, looking inward. Find a quiet moment. I want you to think about 2 simple questions. First, what do I love doing so much that I would do it for free? This is your passion. It could be baking, organizing spaces, drawing, explaining complex topics, or tending to plants. Now, the second question, what do people often ask me for help with? This is your skill. The overlap between what you love and what you are good at, that is your sweet spot. That is where your value lies. Now, let's take that value into the world. But instead of shouting to everyone, we will speak only to the right someone. This is called finding your niche. Think of it this way. If you love baking, your niche isn't everyone who eats. It could be parents who need healthy lunchbox-friendly snacks, or busy students who need simple mug cake recipes. You are not for everyone. You are a perfect fit for someone. And that is your power. This is where many feel overwhelmed, so we will start with a single, small offering. No grand launches, no massive inventory. Your first offering could be a simple service or product, selling a single, custom-made item or putting your skill out there. The goal is not to build an empire today. The goal is to make the first steps, making your first sale. To prove to yourself that it is possible. This single step creates a feedback loop of confidence and clarity. And you can never know until you try. Remember, your first attempt does not need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. A simple PDF, a single social media post offering your service, a listing on a marketplace. Action, no matter how small, is the antidote to anxiety. So, let's breathe and remember the path. It begins with a calm audit of your passions and skills. Then finding your specific niche, the people you are meant to serve. And finally, taking the gentle launch with one small manageable offering. You already have everything you need to start. That talent, that passion, is a seed. It doesn't need force to grow. It just needs a little structure, a little sunlight, and the courage to be planted. What are your passions? What are your skills? Which of these have you been underestimating? Share one in the comments below. I would love to hear about it. If this calm approach to building your income resonated with you, consider subscribing to Brainy Moneymakers. Let's continue building a life you love together.